Bird and Kip, episode 67, running. Kip picked up his big towel. He went outside. Hi, Bird, said Kip. Do you want to come? Do you want to come to the bed? I can't go now, said Bird. I am looking for work. I see you at the big ladder. Okay, said Kip. I see you later. Kip went down the street. He headed to the beach. A woman ran by. Then a man ran by. A few more people ran by. They found it cool and true. This is fun, said Kip. I like running. Kip almost ran into the man. The man was carrying a small sign. He put the sign in the garage. Kip read the sign. Kip read the sign. We ride tomorrow morning. All runners are welcome. Kip gasped. Open lights. I felt like fun.